Good morning, roomies. Are you all ready for our new topic in English? Shall we start? Today we are going to do action words. What are action words? Now, see, children, a word which describes an action is called an action word. Action words are the words which describe the action. What are you doing? Or we can call the doing words are known as action words. Okay, like you can see in first picture, there is a man who is drinking something. So drinking, what is the action? Drinking. So our action word is drinking. See, in the second picture, he is eating. So eating is a action done by that person. Now in the middle you can see a girl. She's writing something. What is she doing? Writing. So our action word is write or writing. Now in the next picture there is a person who is sleeping. What is the action the person doing? क्या कर रहा है वो? सो रहा है. Sleeping. So sleeping word is action word. And in the last picture a person is running. What is the person doing? Running. So what is the action word? Running. Okay? Now see, this little girl is jumping. She is jumping. And then a person is listening to some music or some audio. Okay, so he is listening. And see, this little girl, she is playing. So what is the action word? Playing. And surfing. Okay, skating and swimming. So these all are action words the person or a child or somebody is doing is known as action words. Now our next topic for today is pair words. You all know about the words. अलग अलग words होते हैं, but कुछ words होते हैं जिनके pairs होते हैं, like grandfather, grandmother, king, queen, bread and butter, bread, butter, shoes, socks, socks, shoes, lock, key, lock, key, chair, table, chair, table, bat, ball, bat, ball. So these all were pair words. Now our next topic is one and more than one. Okay, see, in this picture you can see there is one book on the top and more than one at the bottom. Okay, one and more than one. So children, there are some words which talk about one and some words which talk about more than one. We add an S to the words. हम S उसके साथ हम क्या लगा देते हैं? S लगा देते हैं. That shows more than one. Like clock. Clock is one clock. And if we add S, that means more than one. It can be 2, 3, 4 or more than 4. Have you understood? See some more example like In first picture you can see one dog. How many dog? One dog. So the spelling is D-O-G, dog. And in the other picture there are many dogs. So what we have done? We have add S at the end. Many dogs, D-O-G-S, dogs. Okay. See at the another example, one tree. There is one tree in the first picture, and in the second picture more than one is, we write it trees. One tree, many trees. One orange, many oranges. Thank you, Groomies.